Hey guys, Mr. Catlin here to show you how to get your responses from your Google Forms and use them for your writing project. Here's an example of just some basic food questions that I asked. What's your favorite type of food? Rate Italian food. Is it disgusting? Blah, blah, blah. Food is true or false. That question doesn't make sense, but you have 3 questions like that, and your responses are going to be here whenever you find this page again. You should be able to find this in your Google Drive, named whatever you named it, if you have it pulled up or you closed it out. But if you open up your responses, you should see that it's already started to graph a lot of your information. And that's one way that you can get graphs for your writing, is you can just copy the chart that they have. That was my question number 1. And then you can just paste it into your document whenever you start typing your report. And so I just copy, Control-V, and then pasted that in. I can type above it, below it, about it, so on and so forth. Now, if I wanted to do, let's say question 2 was the rating question, and I asked people to rate Italian food, and I didn't really like this bar graph because it doesn't really give me a clear showing of the distribution like I want to see. I would encourage you guys to use other things, and by using other things, click on this green marker right here. This will open up all of your information for that survey in a Google spreadsheet, and you can see right here, these are all of the responses for my rating question. Somebody answered a 1 at this time, somebody answered a 7 at this time, so on and so forth. So what you can do is, there's a lot of things you can do with this. You could find what the average of all those numbers were by clicking on a random cell over here, hitting the equal sign, and then start typing average. You'll notice it'll pop up. And then it'll ask, okay, what do you want to find the average of? All of these numbers. I want to highlight and hit enter, and boom, there's the average. I'm going to label it so I don't forget what it was. Okay, let's say I wanted to find the mat. That's kind of hard to find and takes a long time to do. I've got a bunch of numbers. Let's do it quick. I bet Google Sheets has something for that. They do. It's called average deviations, AVEDEV. If you type that in after equals, they call it magnitude of deviations from the mean. It's just another word for absolute distance. You click on that. All right, what do you want to find the mat of? These numbers right here. Tell me what their mat is. Enter. Boom, there it is. It calculated it for you so fast. What if I wanted to do median? I don't want to put them in order. That takes a lot of time. Screw that. So let's find the median a different way. Well, I bet Google Sheets has an app for that. It does. There it is, median. Let's click it, highlight all the numbers that are the medians. Boom, enter, median 6. That was easy. So you got some of those numbers that you could talk about in your report without spending all of that time going through the math to try to find it on your own. Right? You could do range that way. I believe they also have one for range. If you type in equal in range. Maybe they don't. Maybe they're thinking range. That's too easy. We don't need one for that. You can just find the biggest number is 10, the smallest number is 1, subtract them, it's 9. But those are 3 of the harder things and more time-consuming things to find. Boom, you've already got them right there. The other thing that I would recommend is that you copy these numbers and go to like a different online site. Like this one that I found is called metachart.com. You can create all kinds of different plots. One of them that I like is the box and whisker. If you click on that, you can pick some colors and design it however you want. But the important part here is the data. Just paste the numbers that you just got from your spreadsheet into this, and you can label it if you want to and make it more pretty, but look at that. It just made a box and whisker plot in no time. You can download that, save it, on your computer, on your Chromebook somewhere, and then see mine's saved in this chart under downloads. So whenever I open up this, and let's say I want to import it here, I can insert an image from my computer, one that I downloaded. So I click on my downloads. I just got to find that chart that I had made through here. See if I can find it. I think it was labeled chart actually. Yeah, chart 1. Let's try that. Maybe that's it. Yeah, there it is. There's my box and whisker plot. You could add that to your thing. You can make all kinds of different graphs from here. They've got Venn diagrams, bar charts, histograms, pie charts, multibars, scatter plots. I would stick with maybe a tally would look pretty cool, or a pie chart, something simple, or a bar graph if you don't like the one that Google provides for you here on this page. All right, but you can copy and paste all of this information onto your document, and then you're ready to start typing it up, and you'll be done sooner before you know it. You got the next couple of days to do that, so good luck.